Hi, welcome back to our Honors Geometry playlist. On this video, we'll talk about how to simplify a radical rational expression when you have to use a complex conjugate pair or a regular conjugate pair. In this case, we're going to do just regular conjugate pairs. So for example, on number 15, I've got 4 over 5 minus 2 root 3. Now, what I have to do to get rid of that is I need to multiply or rationalize my fraction. And I can't just multiply by 2 root 3 because I'm doing a subtraction between two different terms. So this is really a binomial. I can't just multiply by 2 root 3. I'd have to multiply by 5 minus 2 root 3. Or in this case, I want to multiply by the conjugate. Well, what that means is that I'm going to take whatever this operation is, I'm going to do the opposite. So instead of 5 minus, I'm going to do 5, let me do that in blue, 5 plus 2 root 3. And we'll see why I'm going to do that in just a minute. Okay, now I need to distribute my 4 to both parts. And when I do that, I get 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 2 is 8. And here's where a lot of our struggle is going to come in. I need to FOIL or double distribute this. So I need to double distribute. I need to distribute the 5 to both parts. And I also need to distribute the negative 2 root 3 to both parts. And we'll see what happens when I do that. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's done. 5 times positive 2 root 3 is a positive 10 root 3. Now I also have to distribute this negative 2 root 3 to both parts. I just did the 5 to both parts. I need to do the negative 2 root 3 to both parts as well. So when I do that, negative 2 root 3 times 5, I get negative 10 root 3. So I did the 5 to both parts. I did the negative 2 root 3 times 5. I need to do my last step, negative 2 root 3 times positive 2 root 3. And this is kind of confusing. I'm not sure how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this a little bit. I'll do negative 2 times 2 times root 3 times root 3. And I'm just going to take this step by step. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. And if I take a root 3 times a root 3, if I square my square root of 3, I'm going to end up with just the radicand, just the 3 that was inside. Okay, and why did I multiply again? Let's go back and look at how I set this up. Why did I multiply by 5 plus 2 root 3 instead of doing exactly what I see in the original problem? Well, if I look at the denominator, if I look at that expanded form there, I'm going to notice something special in the middle. I have a positive 10 root 3 and I have a negative 10 root 3. So if I have opposites here, 10 root 3 minus 10 root 3, well, those reduce to nothing. Those are going to reduce to 0. And I can simplify. Let me do this in red again. The top is still 20 plus 8 root 3. I can't combine anything there. But the denominator is 25 and a minus 12. So 25 minus 12 gets me 13. And I am done. Please check out the answer key provided on our classroom page for the other few answers so that you can check those. Please ask questions in an email or stop by in the morning to get extra help. Let me know how I can help you out. I'd love to see you in class.